Attorneys say Seattle Public Schools may be the first district in the country to sue social media companies. The 92-page lawsuit says social media giants have violated Washington's public nuisance law and intentionally contributed to the youth mental health crisis in the state, which in turn is straining the school district. More than 16 million daily TikTok users are under the age of 14. That's just one stat laid out in a lawsuit Seattle Public Schools hit social media giants like Meta, Snapchat, and YouTube with, saying the platforms contributed to a mental health crisis among youth.
Now you can actually put a number on whether you're popular or not, how many likes you have versus how many likes I don't have.
Dr. Lucia Magis Weinberg, a professor at UW, studies adolescent development in the digital era and what's driving the mental health crisis.
So it's really a complex mix of things, of which social media, of course, plays a role, but it's not the full story.
The lawsuit goes into extensive detail into its allegations that social media companies intentionally market to younger users to keep them coming back, something Facebook whistleblower Frances Haugen even testified to in front of senators.
We spend more time on their platform, they make more money.
The suit says social media has contributed to an increase in anxiety, depression, cyberbullying, and eating disorders, especially among young girls.
We know that comparing ourselves is very detrimental to our self-esteem, to our mental health. And there's certain aspects of social media that make comparing yourself to another person easier than it was in the past.
The lawsuit claims Seattle Public Schools and its more than 49,000 students have been directly impacted. It cites from 2009 to 2019, 30% of SPS students reported feeling sad or hopeless almost every day for more than 2 weeks. The lawsuit says the district has been forced to divert resources, hire counselors, train teachers to recognize mental health issues, and plan lessons about the dangers of the platforms. But SBS says it can't keep up with the need for mental health services.
I do think teachers are really experiencing this firsthand. I was surprised by the lawsuit as a system. I think it's going to open up an interesting conversation, and I'm curious to see how the case develops.
The suit asking for the maximum amount of damages permitted by law. Seattle Public Schools also demanding a jury trial. We reached out to the companies being sued and have yet to hear back.